Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fame Files, the channel where we discuss all things related to animal welfare. Today, we will be talking about one of the most loved animals in the world, dogs. Sadly, many dogs in the US are subjected to atrocities and abuse. In this video, we will be discussing ways in which we can help save dogs from these terrible situations. Adopt, don't shop. The first topic we want to talk about is adopting dogs from shelters instead of purchasing them from pet stores or breeders. When you adopt a dog, not only are you giving a loving home to a deserving animal, but you are also helping to reduce the number of dogs in shelters. Many shelters are overcrowded and understaffed, which can lead to dogs being euthanized due to lack of space. Animal welfare laws. Another important topic is animal welfare laws in the US. While some states have strong animal welfare laws, others do not. We need to raise awareness about this issue and advocate for stronger laws to prevent animal cruelty. Educating the public. One of the best ways to help save dogs is by educating the public about responsible pet ownership. This includes the importance of spaying and neutering pets and providing proper care and attention to dogs. Many people are not aware of the consequences of irresponsible pet ownership and the impact it has on dogs. Puppy mills. Puppy mills are breeding facilities that prioritize profit over the welfare of dogs. Dogs in puppy mills are often kept in overcrowded and unsanitary conditions, leading to health issues and behavioral problems. By spreading awareness about puppy mills, we can help shut them down and reduce the number of dogs being mistreated. Rescue efforts. Animal rescue organizations play a vital role in saving dogs from abusive or neglectful situations. By supporting these organizations through donations, volunteering, and adoption, we can help give these dogs a second chance at life. And there you have it, folks. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, every action we take, no matter how small, can make a difference in the lives of these animals. Let's work together to save dogs from atrocities and give them the love and care they deserve. Don't forget to subscribe to the Fame Files for more content like this. Thank you for watching.